Mm. Mm. Okay. Boiled eggs never light me up like that. Mm-mm. But be careful if you got a funny stomach. Today we are doing the viral TikTok trend egg boil. But here at Carter's Eat, you know we got a little switch it up style. So in our egg boil, it's onion powder, parsley, l'adobo, obey, adobo, tagine, salt vinegar, garlic salt, ground ginger, paprika, crushed peppers. Hit them with a little bit of the chicharron. We're coming in with some tofu, some orange pepper, some fresh garlic, lots of onion, and a stick of butter. Now, we all know if we're true mukbangers, B-Love has been doing this. But it's now a TikTok trend, so let's get in. So we're just using one stick. Now is a good time to try Author's Ghee-clarified butter. Get with it, fam. Get with it. It's way expensive. Way expensive. But it's pretty. We're going in with all the onions I want. Tagine, salt vinegar, obey, garlic salt, vanilla ginger, and B-Love likes to use fresh ginger. Y'all know that. There it is. Tagine, red pepper flakes, lemon vinegar, paprika. That's paprika. That's Tony's chicharron. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Show these TikTokers how it's done. B-Love always adds broth, and she always adds some soda. So TikTok, add your soda. Instead of water, I'm going in with broth for my soup. Food Line got a brand called Dr. Perky. Anything will do, just to give it that little acid, break up the butter. Little fizz, a lot, not all, just a little bit. This is the TikTok viral egg boil. Welcome to Carter's Eat. If this is your first time here, welcome. Yes. Scary. This is my lunch. You saw us make it. B-Love's been doing it. Shout out to B-Love. I didn't add the vinegar. Welcome. My name is Lisa. Viral TikTok egg boil. I said, well, let's try what he did. Let's try the seasonings club soda today. We're using my Aggie Pride cup for the Aggie Jewels. One of them just got her degree. So this is in honor of her. I cut up some mushrooms. Yes. I've got some orange peppers. I've got some tofu, my lunch. So these are the things I wanted in my lunch. We will taste the boiled egg in just a minute. And listen, still gets his noodles. These are already. And I've got my chopsticks. So what we're going to do is stir this up. Let's taste the boiled egg first. Classy or trashy? Classy with the chopsticks. Trashy with my hands. Oh my God. I was like, well, how can this be a TikTok trend when it's been a YouTube trend? Because B Love's been doing her boiled egg boils, her egg boils. Shout out to her. And then I think me and AJ even put that out there. AJ and Blake had an egg boil. So this is full of goodness. And you saw me make it already. If you happen to like me or my channel or the things on my channel, go ahead and make the best decision you'll ever make. This is the place you want to be, here at Carter's Eat with me. Subscribe. Otherwise, we thank you for watching. Be sure to thumbs it up as you pass through the video. Welcome to my kitchen, and let's get into our TikTok viral egg boil. I saw this channel right here. I'm going to try. If this sucker fly out my hand, I'm blaming you. Bless the Lord, bless the Lord, bless the Lord, bless the food, bless the Lord. Fantastic. Now, I did not add any salt because I thought we had enough seasonings going on. Oh, it's got a nice sweet flavor with that brown sugar and that soda. Mmm. Mmm. Come through, Lisa. And the adobo, usually I use B Love sauce, and you just put your boiled eggs down in there. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. I'm trying to get you a mushroom and a noodle. I got you some onion. Ooh. I don't know about butter, but Keto Granny says butter's okay. Where'd my egg go? Y'all sure we used a little bit of ghee. Oh, and the tofu, something sweet. It's either the onion. I don't know what it is. It's the onion. I was supposed to use these noodles and still am going to do the faux challenge. What a great lunch. Oh my God, look at that. That's decadent. The TikTok viral egg boil. And I said, we've been doing that. Let me see what it all tastes like. Basically making bee love sauce on your own. Mm. 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 Get this doctor approved. Ask if your diet can allow you to have this much butter. Y'all can, I told you, you can go. You can go. I don't need this egg. Oh, but that tofu. Oh, all the seasonings. I got it. I got it. Mm. Joint tight. Oh my god. I really like that tofu. Come on, egg boil. Mm. Okay, make it. Check with your doctor before you go eating all this butter. Mm. 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 I don't even want to stop. But I know y'all won't watch a 20-minute video. Oh my god. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. That is right there. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Mm-hmm. I can taste the ghee. I can taste how smooth it is. I gotta do it with the tofu. Oh my god. Mm. Mm. Give it a try. Just go and get you an egg boil. You know it can have a shrimp, a lobster, a claw, a knuckle, some scallops. Go buy your bee love sauce. Go buy your Nene Eat sauce. Go buy your Kim B sauce. Do what you need to do, or you can make this sauce, and then you can come back and get your Carter Eat sauce. Put you some eggs and a butter sauce. Get you some noodles. I put some tofu in today with some orange peppers and mushrooms, and I am not mad about it. I'm gonna stay right here. Y'all can go ahead and go. Right after the bye-bye, the thank you, I'll just be right here eating. Look at the clouds. Look at the roses. Look what God can do. If he can do it for the clouds and roses, he can do it for you, and you. Stay focused. Watch God. Make wise decisions. It's not about Santa. It's about Jesus. Enjoy your holidays. Make yourself some, make this boil. Make this boil roux, this butter sauce for your egg boil. The TikTok viral egg boil trend. Mm. I'm glad I did. Mm-hmm. 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 My girlfriend, Aggie Jewel for life. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations, Anissa. I love you. You're a great artist. Bye.
G5 super fly, should be supervised. Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky. Keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind. Spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.